So here's a follow-up video on these skid plates for the truck. It's been a hot minute since I've had them on here. Done a leveling kit and some larger tires. But I think it's been about a couple years now these have been on. They're still holding up fairly well. The front one here is taking quite a pounding. I will say the drain hole for the oil change does lead to a mess because it doesn't hit it exactly and will run out the sides into your driveway. The skid plate over the T-case, I really should have put the extra bolts in the front. As you can see, it's still holding up, but it has taken some pretty good hammering as well. But I have also essentially dropped the full weight of the truck on these. So I've not treated them with kid gloves. So there's just a quick follow-up. These skid plates have been amazing. I have had this truck in some pretty interesting spots and no issues with the skid plates. Essentially dragging myself over a few things. But it's been working good. I did put on a set of 255/80/17s. That is those infamous pizza cutters, and I love them. So far, so good. And have to update that as we move down the road. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.